Get out! Get out!
I was at my brother's house. I was over that land I told you about.
Yes, yes.
You know what he told me? Hey, these people are looking for my trouble. So we can and by the time I begin to vibrate, there'll be fire.
What did he say now?
That is what I'm telling you. Because these people, look, you know me very well. You know me very well. Hey, Osu, go.
I think a car stopped.
Who could that be? Hey, can you not be going here? Because all this.
Greetings, ma. Greetings, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm looking for Emenike.
Emenike? Please, what happened? What did he do?
Nothing. I just want to see Emenike.
Ah, my love. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you didn't tell me you were coming.
Yes, I went somewhere, so on my way back, I decided to come see you.
You're welcome. Papa, Mama, meet my fiancée, my wife to be.
Oh, you're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, ma.
It's not a wife to be. Yes, Papa. My angel, my parents.
Nice to meet you, ma.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Shall we go inside?
Okay.
Right. Okay, sorry. Why did you let him take her inside?
We're not here. Why didn't you stop them? Why didn't you let him take inside?
This is trouble.
My parents are fond of making me angry over my brother.
Your brother? How?
I have a brother who does not care about anyone, not even my sick father, not even the children that he's going to leave behind.
I still do not understand.
My brother is a prodigal son. He left home for over 4 months now, living a promiscuous life. All he cares about is women, drinks, spending my father's money lavishly.
That is wickedness.
Listen to me, Minike. I am not bothered about all that. If you marry me tomorrow, you will be the next king and inherit my father's throne.
What did you say? I mean, I didn't hear you properly.
I said if you become my husband, you will be the next king and the throne will be yours.
My love, are you joking?
I am not joking. I mean what I said.
Is that what your father said, or you're the one saying it?
You're still doubting me.
I am not doubting you, my love. I am not. So I will become the next king after your father passed on.
Yes, and I, your queen.
Wow. Thank you so much. Give me a hug.
Let's go somewhere to relax better. Okay.
After
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. I'm falling in anya. And you don't go be more. I'm falling in anya.
Yeah. Emenike. Papa. Emenike.
Papa.
How many times have I called you?
Papa, why are you calling my name like that? What is it?
Emenike. Hey, I'm warning you now. What are you doing with the princess?
Papa, what do you mean by what am I doing with the princess?
Please, stay away from the princess. Stay away from the princess. She is not your class. If the king and the queen hears that you, Emenike, look at you, you are dating their daughter, hey, there will be trouble. And when the trouble begins, nobody should call me. Because I, Ikejemba, I will not come out.
Oh, Papa, please don't start.
Hey.
Don't start. Don't deprive me from this opportunity like you always do. What is it by me dating the princess? Don't stop me from my opportunity.
I want you opportunity. Opportunity. When it happens, don't call me. Because I will not come out.
Papa, Emenike, come.
Come here.
Why are you tackling me?
Tackling who? Warn your son.
Instead of, as in, rejoicing for his achievement.
Achievement?
Yeah.
Wait, you call causing trouble? Looking for trouble? Drawing trouble with your own hands? Achievement? Achievement? Eh? I will not come out. Oh. When it happens, nobody should call me. Outspoken.
Don't mind him, my son. I am strongly behind you.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, but why does Papa want to stop my progress? During his own time, did he date a princess?
For where?
Just being jealous of me for me.
Every time, not come out. Nna park yakwa, oh?
You be my love, oh my love, oh. Forever, nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. I'm falling in anya, and you don't go be more. I'm falling in anya, love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forevermore.
Baby, you know I so like this. Can she open?
Yes, please.
My goodness. Babe,
Yes.
you got me a car.
Oh, yes.
You got me a car! Oh my God! I love you so much. Thank you so much, baby.
Let's take a look at
Oh my God! Let's go! Oh, this is so sweet.
Oh yeah, who made a amazing guess ya? Is it baby? See, Ijoma, Ijojo, Ijehinile. Please just help me to shout. Praise the Lord! Pray, 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 Master Jesus! You're not seeing anything.
Are you don't rant like a fool? Where is the money that you took from my bag?
You shut your mouth. What money are you talking about? Or are you trying to insult me? Para.
Am I trying to insult you? Provide my money. Emenike, provide my money because you not like me. You not sleep in this household.
Can you imagine this church rat? What money are you talking about?
Better provide my money.
Can you imagine this? Are you a mad woman?
You are a madman.
What is it again?
Mama,
Kedifabu.
one this girl, one this Ijojo, one how? She's trying to accuse me. One how? I will slap her.
And I will slap you too.
Hey, my friend, shut up your mouth. You are talking to your elder brother.
Don't mind.
Mama, tell him to provide my money. Tell him to provide the money that he took from my bag.
Can you imagine this idiot?
Hey!
So, Ijoma, you don't know that you're talking to a future king? Are you mad? Have you gone nuts?
Tell her.
Anyway, I don't have your time. Mama, I have an important gist for you, which I wouldn't want this fool to hear. Call them and gist.
Hey!
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
Mama, after you now.
Hey!
After good news. Good news.
Come now! Hey!
Jojo.
What good news is he talking about? Papa.
What happened? Who were you calling?
Papa, is it not Emenike? He took my money.
He took your money?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
So where is he?
Papa is inside. Tell him to give me my money.
I'm coming back, huh? Let me come on.
Papa, come and talk to him, oh. Nonsense boy. Useless madman.
Me why I'm dancing. Eh?
Oh, I'm listening. Why are you dancing?
Hey! My son will soon become the king.
You can please. Please. If you have nothing serious to tell me, just let me do what I'm doing.
Ask me how, Juan. Eh?
Mama, how?
Thank you, my daughter. You see why it's good to encourage your children whenever they are on good track. You were against our son. Now God is about to bless us through their relationship.
Can you come out plain? Let me understand what you're talking about.
Princess told our son that once he marries her, he will take over the throne of her father. Do you know the social story of everything? The father is very sick. He might even die today or tomorrow.
Look at it. And you believe this trash? No, you believe this nonsense you are telling me now? Eh? Emenike taking over the throne from the king?
You think it's a lie? It is true.
Mama, why are you like this? Eh? What makes you think that this thing can happen in this life? Eh?
Yeah.
Better warn your son to stay away from the princess. I have said it. Because when the trouble starts, you will not see me. I will not come out.
I am not around though.
Okay.
I am not.
If you like disappear, nothing will happen to our son. Final!
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever.
Mrs. Vera, imagine.
Nothing
Go and warn your mother to warn her son. Because tomorrow people will say I'm wicked. I'm not wicked though. I'm just being myself. Don't worry, tomorrow you will become wicked. Come, bring me light and let me light.
unbreakable love. Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together.
Still not speaking. What is wrong with him?
Mother, you look so worried. What's the problem?
Is it not your brother? He's not picking my calls. So I'm worried.
Mom, I don't even know why you're worried about Vincent, who doesn't even care about anybody in this house.
Can you just listen to yourself? Why won't I be worried? For more than 4 months now, I've not heard from your brother. And your father is sick. He's not picking my call. I have every reason to be worried.
Mom, I don't even know why you're bothering yourself. Vincent does not care about anyone in this house. He doesn't. Stop bothering yourself about him. I'm sure he's okay where he is. Don't get yourself worked up. No, I don't.
That is it too. The queen had been so worried about the prince.
Are you serious? What is really going on? What's happening?
They have not heard from him.
Hey, come back here. Stay right there. What were you two talking about?
Nothing, my princess.
Shut up your mouth. What do you mean nothing? I saw you talking to her. What were you telling her?
No.
Suddenly cannot talk.
My princess, I was trying to tell her that the queen will be worried about the prince.
And is that your business? How is that your concern? Don't you two have jobs to do in this palace?
Sorry, my princess.
My friend, will you get out of here? Get out of here. Look at them. Jobless people.
Oh my God! Oh, God, stop it, baby. Oh!
Vinny, please pick your call. It's urgent. Could it be that you are busy? Oh my God. He didn't speak again.
Mom, are you still on this?
My brother is still not speaking. He is not speaking.
Then you are going to hurt yourself. This is not good for you. Stop stressing yourself.
There is no way I am going to hurt myself for calling my son. Have you forgotten that your father is sick? And his presence is highly needed here.
What if he doesn't want to come home?
Tell me why he would not want to come home. Is this not his father's house? Or is this not his house as well?
Well, Mom, I don't know, and I don't really care.
You don't know, and you don't really care. Please pick your call. Pick your call. Eh? He didn't pick his calls.
That boy is going to ruin his life before he knows it.
Maybe he is busy or he's not with his phone. Let me use your phone to call him.
No. I forbid you to do that. If he doesn't pick his calls or refuse to return the calls, you should forget it.
Please, just allow me to call him with your phone. He might pick up. Please.
Babe, your phone has been ringing.
Oh, yeah. My mom.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why are they calling my two lines? She's calling me. Wow. She's been the one calling.
She's still calling me.
Vinny?
Hello, Mom. Oh, I'm sorry I missed your calls.
let me just go straight to the point. Your father is sick.
Sick? Since when?
I don't know what is wrong with him. Maybe you should come back and find out for yourself.
Oh, wow. Okay, so, hello? Hello?
Babe?
Yeah.
Is everything alright?
Not really, not really. Just hold on. Why is she not picking calls?
Your mom?
Yeah.
Why is she not picking? Is everything the matter?
My father is sick.
Your father?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And how is he?
My mom needs to tell me, but I don't know why she's not taking calls.
Why is she not taking calls?
Maybe because she's not happy with me.
Happy with you? Why is she not happy with you?
Because I chose to live my own life. I mean, do what makes me happy. You know, I haven't really told you anything about me. I am actually a prince.
You're what? A prince?
Yeah, a prince. And right now, home is calling. I have to go know what's going on.
Babe, just take it easy. Can I come with you?
Yeah, sure.
I can. Oh, thank you.
Just be in the car.
Okay, you wait for me, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, baby. Just wait for me. Let me pack up. I'll join you. Okay, take it easy, okay?
Yeah, sure.
I'll join you. Hi, God. I'm fine. You called at the right time. See, Vinny, I'm going home with Vinny.
Okay, how long will he be gone?
Let's just say 2 days or more.
Alright, babe, my engagement party is coming up in a few days' time, and I'm coming back tomorrow.
I know. Don't worry. I will try to make it back on time, okay? I can't miss it for anything.
No problem.
Yes.
Safe journey.
Alright. Okay, babes. Alright. Please let me pack up. I'll join him. He's waiting for me in the car. Alright. Oh, shit. Where's this bag?
Everybody in this house is just running mad. I don't even understand mom anymore. Stressing and bothering herself over a prodigal son that doesn't even want to come home. I'm very sure that my brother is somewhere enjoying his life with his mistresses. Killing herself over nothing. Beg, let me just stay here and enjoy my drink.
My princess, the queen demands your presence.
Are you mad? What? Are you stupid? Don't you know how to greet?
Sorry, my princess.
Kneel down there. I said kneel down! Raise up your hands. All you know how to do is to eat my father's food and get fat. Raise your hands! Raise them up! Higher! Higher, higher, higher. Raise it up. You're going to remain here until I say so. If you leave this place, you'll see what I'll do to you. Nonsense.
What is the problem? Tell me. Who made you angry?
My parents.
What happened again?
same matter. Every time, Vinny this, Vinny that, they care less about me. They only care about someone who is far away from them, someone that does not even care about them. I'm sick and tired of all this.
Calm down. See, my love, don't let that bother you. You and I know that he's not coming back anytime soon. Just relax yourself. Cheer up.
At least they should care about me and show me love. I'm also their child.
It's okay. Just calm down. Don't let that bother you. Cheer up.
I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
All right, my love. I'll call you.
I'll be expecting your call.
All right, darling.
I love you.
I love you more.
I'll be waiting for your call.
All right, darling. I'll
Bye.
call you.
All right.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you.
Thank you, baby. But I'm just a bit worried.
Why?
Your mom is already upset with you. Mine won't be exceptional.
Oh no, you don't have to think like that. Not at all.
Are you sure?
Of course. My mom is only, not happy because, according to her, I'm living a wayward life. It has nothing to do with you.
But baby, you're not living a wayward life.
Yeah.
You are my prince.
Tell that to my mother.
I just can't wait to see them.
How is he, my queen?
He's getting better now.
Yeah. Okay. I hope the prince have been informed.
Yeah, I put a call across to him.
That's good. I have to take my leave. Please take good care of him.
Do you think he will actually come back?
Why do you say that?
Well, you should know that your son is somewhere enjoying his life and lusting after several women.
Why are you making such negative comments against your own brother?
It's not a negative comment, it's simply the truth.
Enough of that. One more negative word against your brother. You see what I'll do to you. I'm not in that mood.
Tell them the truth. Just don't like to hear it.
We're almost here.
Yeah.
That's the place.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. It's so big.
Yeah, it's big. It's really big.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. I fall in anya, and you don't go be more. I fall in anya, love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forever. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love, 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 love. Our love is forevermore.
Good day, my prince. Good day. Where's the queen?
She's inside, my prince.
Hi.
Hi, brother.
My love, how are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you. So, babe,
Yeah.
that's Vera, my kid sis. Vera, that's Nive, my girl.
Hi. My pleasure. I'm Nivea.
Where are the maidens?
My love, don't take that to heart. She's not in a good mood.
Yes.
Babe, I just feel that was very rude and I feel really embarrassed.
It's okay. I'll make her come around. Okay?
Alright, babe.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. Afulunginanya, enye ganga bimo. Afulunginanya, love mo. Our love is forever.
Mom.
What do we have here? My son. You're here. Welcome.
Good day, Ma.
You're welcome. And who is she?
She's my girlfriend, Mom.
Your girlfriend?
My mother.
She's pretty.
Oh, thank you. And what's your name?
My name is Nivea.
Nivea.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Son, how was the journey?
Oh, well, fine. Bless God.
What took you so long?
Mom.
Oh, it's okay. I understand. Your dad is upstairs in his room.
Okay. Babe.
Yeah?
Let me quickly see my father, okay?
Alright, baby.
Just make yourself comfortable.
Alright, baby. Alright.
Okay, Mom.
It's okay. Have a seat.
Thank you.
You said your name is?
Nivea.
Nivea. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
What of your parents?
My parents, they are very well.
It's okay. No. Grace? Grace? Come.
My queen.
Take her inside and make sure you serve her very well. She's special.
Okay, my queen. Please come with me.
Thank you. Thank you, my friend.
I can see my son is stepping up. He's a good one.
What is that you want most?
What I want most? Well, Father, I have always wanted to live my life. I've always wanted to, be myself without adding any title to my name. And that's what I want. I just want to live my life. And that's the part you always call me a wayward son.
You the one that always say wayward son, wayward son.
Father, you.
Aside your dreams, hope you know you have responsibilities. Huh?
Yes, Father.
Yeah. Who is that girl you brought home?
She's my girlfriend. She's the girl I want to marry. Though I haven't made my intentions known to her.
What is he waiting for? If she's the right person, have you forgotten you are the crown prince? If anything should happen to me now, you can't emerge as the king because you don't have a wife. Is that what you want?
No, Father, but nothing will happen to you now.
Then do the right thing at the right time. Do it.
Okay, Father, I will.
Not you will. Do it. Do it.
I will do it. Okay?
I said do it.
Father, I will. Don't worry. I'll take my leave now. I'll see you later. I'm still around. Yeah.
You're going away again?
Not away. I'm still in the palace.
Don't go far.
I'll be back.
Father, I told you that he's still living a promiscuous life. He brought a woman home today.
You must go marry.
Then are you sure he wants to marry her, or she's just one of those his mistresses that he sleeps around with in the city?
Don't add more to my problem.
I'm sorry. Should I get you one time?
Yeah, baby. We're at the palace now. This place is so beautiful. And the queen, she's so pretty. Very pretty. Even the princess, she's pretty, but she's a bit rude. But that's her life, though. Yes, my darling. Oh, okay. Babe, let me call you back. Alright, good. Bye, Joe. Babe, how is he?
It's fine. I guess he misses me.
I can understand. I know how he feels. So, babe, I've been wanting to ask you. Is there still something you're keeping away from me?
I've apologized for what I did. The reason I did it is not far-fetched. I just want to live my life. I just don't want to attach who I am to my personality. I just want to be that random guy out there without giving me respect, so much, adoration, because I come from a royal family. That was why I lied, because I just want to be natural. So now that you know, there's nothing else I'm hiding from you.
I understand, but you owe me an explanation.
I know. I'm sorry.
Leave me. Leave me, Joe.
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry, I'll make it up to you.
Are you sure?
Sure.
It's a promise.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. I'm falling in love.
Vinny, you like the food?
Yes, my queen.
It's okay. The food is delicious, right? Yeah? What's wrong? Delicious? Nivea. My son have never brought a woman into this palace before. Never.
Wow.
You are the first lady. The first.
That's correct.
I hope you love my son. Huh?
Yes, my king. I love him so much. Yeah.
That's nice. the crown prince. You love her?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? You love her?
Of course.
Sorry, Dad.
Sorry, Dad.
Easy,
Yeah.
please.
Enjoy your food, everyone. Let's enjoy the food.
Thank you.
Brother, are you sure you love her?
Sorry about that. What did you say?
Are you sure you love her?
Of course I love her.
Okay, you say so.
Enjoy the food.
There's still more.
Thank you, my friend. You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. Gold, you're not serious. No, honestly, you're not serious. Don't ask me that kind of question. We're in his family's house. We can't be doing all those lovey, kind of. We just take it easy. You like how me, boy. Let me call you back, babes. I'll call you. Hi.
Nivea, or whatever you are called. What do you think you're doing with my brother?
I don't get you.
I'm sure you're not deaf. I mean, do you think my brother will marry you? Flaunting yourself in my father's palace with my brother, smiling. I mean, what do you think you're doing with my brother? You heard me.
Excuse me.
You are well excused.
Please, for your information, if you need me to, enlighten you a bit. If you're talking about my Vinny, I'm sorry, but Vinny and I, we are in love.
Really?
Yes, so you can just spare me with all that.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. My brother will not marry you. I'm sure you're just one of those toys he plays with. I'm sure of that.
Please, just stay away from me and keep whatever talk and thoughts to yourself. I am not interested. Alright? Nice speaking with you.
Not nice speaking with you, with all due disrespect. And whenever you're talking to me, don't smile at me. I'm not your friend.
I'm so sorry. It's obvious you lack love. Because if you have love in your life, you won't be this difficult. Back to gold. Gold, baby. Calling you right away. Red rose, red rose.
MNK. 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 Hi. Good afternoon. I want to see MNK.
MNK. I want to see MNK. Keep that greeting to yourself. I don't need your greetings. Keep it to yourself. Leave my brother alone. Wrap on one name. Eh? Ogini.
Why are you speaking to me in that tone?
Stop deceiving him. Eh? He's my only brother. Oh. Stop deceiving him. Oh. I'm not happy with you, princess, or whatever they call you. I'm not happy with you.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
You don't understand? Okay. Princess Vera, you and I know that Emenike will not marry you. Stop bringing problems to my family. Stop it.
I love Emenike so much. Emenike is my life. He means a lot to me. We are going to get married. We are in love. We love each other so much.
You are going to get married to who? Emenike, my only brother. You're a liar. You are a blatant liar. Stop deceiving my brother. Leave my brother alone. Leave him alone.
Enough! Do not speak to me in such manner. I don't blame you.
Do I blame you too? Abani, they're God. Let me see your leg here again. You don't like me. I'm not fear.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you, I'm falling in anya, and you don't go be more. I'm falling in anya, love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forever. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Love, 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 our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love, love, love. Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable. Forevermore. Forevermore. Love. 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 Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh.
What are you doing?
Papa, I'm very tired. Let's go.
Will you take your women ass off that place and go and walk? Look at this lazy buffoon.
Papa, I know I am a very lazy person. But mind the way you talk to me. I am the future king.
Also?
Papa, I am the future king.
Papa Emenike. Papa Emenike. If our son says he's tired, allow him to rest.
Simple.
Eh? He's our future king, oh.
UK.
Yes.
UK. You are causing problem for this boy. Serious problems. Be ready to dance with him because me, I will not be there. This is the dance of the dead. That is what you are playing for him. When the problem will begin, I will not come out. Both of you will carry it on your own.
Papa, don't call mass. My mother's rookie me. Only she in one community, Papa.
Okay.
If you like, come out, don't come.
Okay.
She will stand for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then this in this future king. Is he shampoo? Future king. Don't worry.
Now.
I'm gonna rest, Biko.
Rest, oh.
Oh, Mama.
My future king. My future king.
Don't
mind your father.
Oh? Mama, go and walk. I'm tired.
Rest, relax your back very well.
Let me go, Mama. Go and walk. I'm very
Sleep. Rest or relax your back very well.
Mama, go and walk. Yeah. Papa, walk well, though.
That thing will happen. That thing will happen. Every time that thing will happen.
Papa, don't worry. Papa, bend and walk well, though.
Look at you. Lazy buffoon.
How do you bend and walk well?
Lazy buffoon. Don't worry. You're talking to the future king, though.
Now rest,
Ada! Where is Are you asking Baba? Am I not coming from the house? You're asking me who's there. How are you?
Thank you, John.
Mind that you're
Come
welcome of your brother.
Who's tired, man?
No, I don't know.
Come.
Hey, come back here. Did you hear what your brother asked you?
The princess come here.
Mama, I said I don't know.
Ijoma is becoming stubborn in this.
Hey!
Mama, Ijoma is becoming stubborn in this house. Don't panic. Don't worry. I will call the princess myself.
Eh?
I said I will call the princess and let's just go inside.
Now go and rest. Oh, my future king.
You can say that.
My future king.
You can say that.
Nah, gonna namo.
Mama!
Namo. Hey, I'm gonna do.
Why is she not picking my calls? Pick now. What is wrong now? I won't stop until she picks. Hello, my love. What is it now? I've been calling you since you're not picking.
I am not fine. I was at your house a while ago. Your sister gave me the biggest insult of my life.
What? My sister did what?
She insulted me and called me names.
Just calm down. I will deal with her. Please. Please, I beg in the name of God. Okay. Okay. Oh. All right. Love you. Ijoma!
Who is that fool shouting like a dog?
Ijoma, you mad? How dare you insult Vera?
I mean,
come on,
what's
stand there. Touch me! If you do not talk now, I will slap thunder out of your eyes.
Slap me!
Are you mad? How dare you?
Shut up! Are you mad?
What's happening here?
He slapped me!
Can you imagine this low life? Insulting my fiancé. Are you mad?
You are mad.
Ijoma,
Mama.
is it true?
Hey, excuse me. What is it true? You're asking if it is true. Wait, is that enough reason for him to slap my daughter?
Papa, I swear to God, if she tries this nonsense again, I will slap thunder out of your eyes.
You will not do it. Yes. Because if you try it, I will deal with you.
It's a buon wegi. It's a buon wegi. If she tries it next time, beat her very well. What is it?
Listen, if you touch her again, I will use your heads for sacrifice. Try me. Nonsense. No, try it again. Touch her again. Touch me.
Touch me again. What is it?
Mama, let's go inside.
Don't make it serious.
I will slap thunder out of your eyes.
No, you touch her.
Hey! Because of his drama.
Mama, it's okay. Don't worry.
Hey!
Papa, don't, it's okay, don't worry. If I become the king, I will make you the queen mother and take you to the palace. Papa and Ijoma will remain in this village and suffer till they die.
Kita, you said it all. Oh, yeah, come inside. Hey!
Wait a second. Ijoma!
Baby, promise me that you won't fail to come back.
Of course I won't. I promise.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes.
Baby, no, I can't stay without you.
Yeah, promise. You don't have to be bothered, okay?
Yeah, alright. So where's my luggage?
Oh, it's already in the trunk. I told them to take it out.
Okay.
Oh, my son.
She's about to leave.
Really? Yes. Oh. I hope you enjoy your stay in the palace.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Ah, beautiful. May my ancestors guide you,
I say,
protect you,
I say,
and bring you back to this palace.
I say.
Safe journey, my dear.
Thank you so much, my queen.
And say me hi to your parents.
She's going to make a good wife, isn't it?
I don't think so, Daddy.
Huh?
She will make a good wife for us.
I trust my son. I'm so proud of him.
She's a nice lady.
She's a nice girl, that's true.
You mean your brother has come back?
Yes, my brother is back. That was what I was coming to tell you the day your sister embarrassed me.
So I'm not going to take over your father's property and the throne anymore.
Why?
Because your brother is back.
He has gone back. And this time, he has gone for good.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. Are you still doubting me?
I am not doubting you, but I'm listening.
I am going to take you to my parents' house any moment from now.
Really?
Of course.
So what will you tell them about me?
I am going to tell them that you are the love of my life. And we are going to get married.
Oh, thank you so much.
I love you.
I love you too. Come on, give me a hug.
Red rose, red rose, red rose. It's happening like a dream, but it's not a dream.
Hi, baby.
She's back. Welcome.
Thank you, I love.
How are you?
I'm very well.
Hey, I missed you.
I'm very well.
How was your
are you?
trip?
My trip was awesome. If not for you, I wouldn't have come back.
Oh,
Because
welcome.
you're really, really taking good care of me.
Hey, are you serious?
I'm serious. I didn't feel like coming back home.
Thank God you came back.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Okay, I'm all ears. Congratulations! Dun, 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 look at mine.
Oh my God! This is beautiful.
Congrats to us. Thank you. Congrats too.
Oh my.
You know, I was going to say it's good to stick together to the end of time. But then, something came in between. Such is life. I hope you understand.
I understand, my darling. And trust me, I bear no grudges.
I'm happy you found your own man.
Same here. I'm happy for you.
Look, tell Vinny not to fail to show up at my engagement party. I would love to see him.
Of course. He doesn't have a choice. We will be there.
Right?
Of course.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you so much, my baby.
Your house is beautiful.
Thank you so much. Don't worry, my mom is coming to see you. Okay? You're going to like her. I've told her about you already. She's coming down.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm scared.
Oh, please, baby, don't sound like that. Look, do not embarrass me, okay? Just comport yourself. Put yourself together. My mom is going to like you. Don't be scared.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure. She will like you.
Hey, Mom.
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon.
No, you don't have to say good afternoon, ma. My mom is a queen. So you say greetings, my queen.
Oh, greetings.
Mom?
Who is this?
Mom, this is MNK, the love of my life. He is my fiancé. He proposed to me and I accepted. So I brought him home for you to see him and give you approval. I know you're going to like him more.
What?
She just told you the truth. Ma.
Meaning that we are going to get married soon, Mommy.
Interesting.
I know you like him, so I told him to come see you.
Can I see inside?
Mom, there's no problem. You like MNK, you just have to get to know him better, Mom.
What are you doing? Mom, what kind of disgrace was that?
What disgrace are you talking about?
Who was that man and what are you doing with him?
Mom, you heard my introduction. He is...
Oh, hush! Hold it there. I just want you to go in there, tell him to leave this palace right here now.
Oh, Mom, I'm not going to do such thing. That
that's my visitor in there.
Oh, you're not going to do such thing. Okay, I don't care to know whatever you think he is to you or whatever he is to you. Don't worry, you're not going to do it. It's okay.
Whoa! Why can't I just do my thing the way I want?
So, if I finally marry this my wife, I will inherit the whole of this palace. Huh? God, I thank you. God, I give you praise. I thank you so much. This marriage must work. Hey, Mama. I'm looking for your peace. I'm very pressed. I'm here. Very, very pressed.
May thunder fire that miserable mouth you used to say that. When you go to your wretched house, you can ease yourself and not here. Now get out of my sight.
Ma, see,
I said, will you get out?
I cannot take it to my house.
What's going on here? What are you doing?
I just told her I want to ease my head because of...
Are you still standing here? Get!
Mommy!
What is it?
Mommy, why are you doing this? This is the man I love.
Yes. I cannot take this thing to my house because of prostate cancer. I need to ease myself.
It's okay.
Get! Get out of here!
Mom!
Get! Come and take this miserable man out of my house and never allow him to come back here.
Mommy, stop!
It's okay.
Mommy, please don't do this to me. I love this man. Get to know him. You will like him too, Mom.
You love him?
Yes, Mommy.
Have you lost it? Are you stupid? Are you senseless? Are you insane? What is wrong with you? I said, get out of here now. Get! Come and take this miserable man out of here.
Mommy, just calm down.
Get!
What's that man I saw you walking outside? I don't even know. He's the queen that asked me to throw him out. The queen. Just like that. Just like that. That guy is the princess' boyfriend. And the fiancé to the princess.
Why did you throw my man out?
My princess. Sorry, my princess. It's the queen that asked me to throw him out.
You're very stupid! The next time you try this rubbish again, I am going to skin you alive! You stupid son of a bitch! Get out of my sight! Hey, come back here, come back here. Kneel down. Kneel down! Kneel down! Get away! Get out of here!
Sorry, my
fool!
Sorry, my princess.
Lie down. Lie down! Are you deaf or daft? Roll on the floor. Roll with your belly. That is what you should do. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way, idiot. The next time you throw my man out of this house, I am going to so roast you alive. Keep rolling like the fool that you are. I said keep rolling. Remain there. Son of a bitch. Nonsense. Try this with me next time and you get it hot. Nonsense.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. I fall in anya, and you don't go be more. I fall in anya. Forever, nothing can separate us, my love.
Stay away from me. Just stay away from me. Did you hear me?
I can't explain.
Explain what exactly? No. What do you want to explain to me? That you slept with a girl and then you confessed your love for her? You disappeared into the air, into the night, and here you are telling me you can explain. You're nothing but a cheat. And you see this relationship? It's over.
Baby, please don't do this to me. Please.
Don't do what he... I cannot be with a man like you. I'm sorry. You disgust me. Here's your ring.
Leave my house and don't come close to me. Leave my house. I don't want to push you. Leave my house.